Good day. My name is Mr. D Forex. Guys, I want us to look at the market. What gonna happen next week, starting from Monday. Before I go further on this video, guys, I would like you to support this channel by going down there and subscribing. Please subscribe and like the page as well. I will appreciate that that one very much. Please, I want to give you just 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. You have subscribed. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go further. Looking at Euro USD, I'm looking at the 4-hour chart here. 4-hour time frame. Looking at how the Euro USD has been pushing. As you see here, okay, this was my analysis from last week, I think. Yeah, whereby I've been waiting for the market to come and get to this level. As you see, where's my pins? Where's my pen? I think my pen is here. Okay. I was waiting for the market to come and get to this level, guys, to get at this level. But it hasn't happened yet because I managed to get a buy from here, down here, when the market came here and retest and not retest, came here and started to push up. And I think I came out here. Yeah, because I was trailing my stop loss. Other people, they don't know how to trail the stop loss. For instance, let me just make an example. Let's say this is your stop loss. You enter here. When you enter here, the market pushes up. Yeah. When it gets here, you take your stop loss, you push your stop loss to break even. When you put it to break even, and you wait for the market again to push. The market pushes up, you take your stop loss, you push it. Yeah, you see now what the market was doing here. If you look at it, it's creating higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low. Okay, I put my stop because the market was here now, so hence I put my stop loss here. I didn't put my stop loss here when the market was still around in this area. No, put my stop loss here when the market made another higher low. Hence I put the thing in my stop loss. So from here it pushes up again, and I said, okay, let me push my stop loss to this figure. From there, the market has been pushing. Yeah? But when we look at what's gonna happen next week, if you predict on what's gonna happen next week, what I see here is my resistance. I put this line here as my resistance, as not as my resistance, as an area of struggle, by the way. The area of struggle, this is my zone here. As you see here, the market has been there's been a fight here because the bulls are pushing the market and the bears are pushing the market down. You see it came back here and retests a little bit and it pushes up. But what I predict here, what can happen here, I think the market, what's gonna happen, the market gonna push up, come here, come retest here, and push up again. Sorry, and push up again. So let me just show you again. Sorry about that. The market up here in my trend line, of which is my resistance trend line, come up here, and the market will come and retest to this struggle zone and push up. That's my prediction. That is my prediction. That this what can happen. If it doesn't happen like this, which means it is possible that the market can just come down here in this area and push up come to this trend line, push down again and push up. That possible as well, guys. That possible. That can happen. Because why I'm saying it can come and turn yet, because of this here, because here there was a huge struggle here. In this area, so that's very possible. So this is my prediction for thinking for next week. But what I'm looking at, I'm gonna be looking at the price action, because now this is a price action. We have to consider that this is a price action and look what is happening when I think. Let me just look at this candle. You can see that it's pushing up and the bears are pushing the market down. It's like a fight. As I am saying, is an area of struggle. So I believe that the market can, what I'm gonna do, what I always do, sorry, let me put my test here. What I'm gonna do, say here, buy above. So that's what I'm gonna do. As soon the market closes, the candle closes after this area of struggle above this resistance. As soon as the market closes above this, the candle closes above this resistance. So what it's gonna tell me? It will tell me to do what? To buy. So which means I'll go up. But if it doesn't, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna wait. Definitely I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna do anything until I get a confirmation, until I see the candle closing above here. That's where I can buy, and maybe from here after that I can buy here, and my target will be just here. My target will be just here, and my stop loss, make sure that it is below this, or I can put it below this area of struggle. See, so that I can be safe. So this is my prediction for next week. Guys, pound and dollar. What I'm expecting here to happen? The market has been pushing up here. As you see, it's been struggling here, but the market has been pushing up here. So as you see, I have my my area of struggle already, or my zone here, of which is ready. I put it here already. Why am I hitting a zone here? Because when I look back here, the market here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's been a struggle here. It's been a struggle. So I'm expecting the market to come push up here and retest and come back again to this area and push again till this area. But what I'm expecting when it comes here, I think it might push up here, retest and come back and retest in this area and push up. This is what I'm expecting the market to do. But I will have to get a confirmation first before I buy here. Before I buy here, I must get a confirmation. Before I buy here, I must, of which this way I'm gonna buy. In this area, this way I'm gonna buy. This way I'm gonna buy. This way I'm gonna buy here. And my stop loss will be here. Yeah? As soon as the market comes here, I'll push out of, let me make an example. Let's say I buy here and my stop loss, it's just here. I'm just making an example. It's just here. And the market pushes until here. I'll push my stop loss to my break even. Yeah? Because here I'm not too sure what's gonna happen. I'm not 100%, 120% sure. But I'm expecting the market to push. Because the market, you trade the market by belief, guys. I'm expecting the market to push until it gets to this resistance again, come back to test the support, to retest the support and push again. But if it doesn't happen like that, if the market comes and just doesn't go above here, what will happen is the market can come back here. Maybe it can do this. The market maybe can, in this area, it can do this. It can do this and shoot up. Maybe. I'm just saying maybe it can do that. That's what I'm expecting the market to do. And come back, retest here and push up. So even here, guys, what's gonna happen here? As soon as the market is above this level, if maybe it comes and let's say let's say the market gonna push up, ne? Okay, now I'm gonna confuse you guys. Now I'm gonna confuse you. Let me just leave it here. What I'm expecting the market to push up, come to test and push up again, because this is another area of struggle here. This is another area of struggle. As you see here, the market came here. The bulls pushed the market down, and the bears pushed the market down. So I don't know what might happen here, but I'm expecting the market to push beyond this thing here. Or maybe if you want to be safe, you can wait for the market to close for one candle to close above this area and after you buy, if you want to be safe. Because from here to get a confirmation here and buy here is not 100% safe. It's not 100% safe. Anything can happen. So because even if it push up here and come back, so there's nothing much that you have made as well. So again, you can wait for the market to close, if one candle to close above here, and then after you place your trade and get it until here. Yeah. And when it gets here again, you wait for the confirmation and you sell the market. When it gets here, you buy. Just like that, guys. That's what I'm expecting. So guys, let's look at the gold, how the gold look like and what do we expect from the gold going forward. Guys, remember the gold has been pushing up and coming down as well. Yeah. So it's been a struggle, but to cut the story short, I remember when it did this double bottom, I placed the trade here and it pushes up. I came out everything around here because I was scared. So what happened again, and I was looking for gold to come up here because the gold has been not predictable, honestly. It's been like, yeah, I've been trading some other currencies and indexes a lot, so these days. So now what happened is the gold now has reached my trend line resistance. So what's gonna happen is what I'm expecting the market to do here. I'm expecting the market to continue pushing down, come retest here and push up. So as I'm speaking to you guys, I'm on the trade of gold because the market, my stop loss is just above here because the gold is volatile as well. So I'm expecting the market to push down and push up because it gave me a sign that I can sell the market. So this is what I'm expecting from gold, just to come back here, retest in this area of struggle, or maybe you can call it a support, and just go up again. So that's what I'm expecting from gold. So I don't know what other guys are expecting, but this, because remember we trade the market by belief, but I think this one is a little bit simple, what might happen, because I'm in this trade, my stop loss is from break even. So normally I don't leave the trade for over weekend. I don't hold on the trade for over weekend. I just close my trade if they're on break even, or yeah, most of the time. So guys, this is what I'm expecting from gold. Come back here, test and go up, shoot up. That's it, simple. Let us look at US30 guys. Let's look at US30 quickly. The US30, you can see we know that he has break the high highs now. It's been doing very well, pushing up very well. This is 15-minute time frame. I normally look at 15-minute time frame when it comes to this what do you call this indexes, because they're very volatile and they spike a lot. So guys, if you look here, the market has been pushing up, and it's back here. So that's where my resistance trend line is as well. And it came here. Yeah, I'm managed to continue to make some money as well. I think it was this area where I placed my sell here, push down as well. And I'm expecting the market to push down here as well. I'm expecting to push down till it gets to this level. Nah? Till it gets to this level, and this is where I'm gonna buy the market as well. I'm expecting to push down till it gets to this level. From here, I'm gonna buy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say buy above. No, I'm not gonna say buy above. Buy here. I say buy here as soon as, because here it's gonna be sort of like a double bottom here. It's gonna be like a double bottom, and if we check, it's a support and a support trend line as well. So these two things is just this, a normal support and a support trend line, meaning it's possible that you can come here and shoot up again. So because why am I saying that? If you look at the history of like Nasdaq, the US30, all these indexes, these volatile indexes, they respect their the trend lines a lot. They respect the support and resistance. They do respect those areas. So I'm pretty sure that it will come down here and just retest and go up, because I believe that even here you can still sell, because I don't see anything holding it to come down here. I don't see it going up from here as well. I don't see it going up from here. You can sell, come down here. When it's here, you come up with trade and you look for an opportunity again to buy, and the market will keep on going up. Because if you look at last month, I think it was March, beginning of March, the market has been selling, going down, but now the market is in a point whereby it's shooting up again. Because I told other guys that I told my team that, guys, you have to understand how these US30 and Nasdaq indexes work, because last month it was going down. There was a reason, so I'm not gonna share it here. There was a reason it was going down, and we are looking at it, and I told the team that because of ABCD and E, the market will keep on declining. The market will keep on going down, selling the market. And because one of the members was telling me that one guy was saying on Facebook, you must never sell the thing, the indexes. The indexes, they always buy. I said, huh? Yes, they've been buying, but you have to look at the structure of the market. You have to look at the market, what the market is doing, before you decide to buy or sell. So I'm expecting guys the market to come down here and buy here. But if it happens that it breaks below this this support, I'm selling the market. If it happens that it breaks below this support, I'm selling the market. But I'm not gonna sell the market until I get the confirmation that it's going below here. But I'm expecting the double bottom. That's what I'm expecting to see, my guys, this week. To those who didn't subscribe, guys, please make sure that you subscribe, so to support this channel, and like this page as well.